So hello guys, finally I am here after a very long time. I am busy in some work. So anyways I'm back. So how are you all? I'm sure you all safe and good. So I will tell you the best 5 magics model of this month. So this video of the second video of this series, and I think it's going to be not much longer than the previous video. I will keep all things fast and it will be more productive for both of you. So without wasting much more time, let's run. So now you can see I am on the latest Magix 23.0 stable. It is the stable build I am using it over here. So moving further, so this is our first model, Energize Protection. So it's really great app. You can see this is the Energize Protection details. So you can see the features. It's block the all sticky advertisement, malware, spam, statistic and trackers on both web and browsing and application as well. So it supports multiple formats and also speed units. So it means reduce your page loading time up to half of its actual time, and it will be sure you have to all this annoying blocking and also increase your privacy. So you can save your expense to decrease your data consumption and saving expense. So it's a clean and really short app. You can see this is, so for the installation of this you just have to download it's from the Magix. You can search this app in Magix itself. You can see this is the first model I am getting, Energize Protection. You just have to click on this blue bar. So after clicking on this you just have to install it and reboot your phone. So it will be installed automatically, and after rebooting it's do all the things by default. You just don't need to do anything. So now moving to towards our second mode. So our second mode is by DNS, by VR Events. So this is a DNS app. So it will help you to getting very less or minimum ping. So for that you have to download the DNS Test app. So you can download and select which DNS having the really minimum ms ping. So now you can see there is a Google DNS which having 62 ms ping. So for that we have to, the installation process is really simple. You just have to find that app. Yeah, so this is the DNS app by VR Events, and click here is the options you have to follow. First is volume press key. So by volume down key you have to select the mode, and volume up key for the next. So I have to install Google, that is have the very less ping. So I am going to 7 and just select Google. So you can see thermal option 7 Google DNS is activated. So you just have to reboot, and this app or this mode will be automatically started by after rebooting. So now moving towards our third mode from the Magix. You can see this is the flush RAM, which is by VR Events. So it's actually clear your RAM cache and force stop all the apps to get more free RAM before the playing games. So you can see there are some commands as well. So you can use that commands for safe mode, aggressive mode or extreme mode. So that's really helpful for gamers who want to more free RAM for their gaming purpose. So it's really great and it's actually works. So you just have to download that flush RAM. I will provide the download links. So download that app and install from the Magix. From this install the storage option. So that is our third module from this list. So this is really helpful. For terminal commands you have to download the terminal or any terminal app from the Play Store and give it the super user access, and after that you just have to type that commands sus-c.flush or flush to flush 3, whatever your preference. So now moving towards our fourth module of this series of this month. So that is the fast charge version green by NTH. So this module actually help you to charge your phone actually fast, but I think you don't have to use that module as on daily purpose. Just use it if you are really need up to fast charging, or if you have to go somewhere else, because maybe it can damage your phone. But if you undervolted charger, if you say your default charger is 20 watt but your 20 watt charger is damaged, so you are using 10 watt charger, so you can use that for 10 watt charger, so it will not going to damage your phone because you already using 18 watt and 10 watts charging is not going to harm your phone. So use in that case only. I won't recommend you to if you are fast charging, you have 20, 30 or 40 watt charger and you using this, it's not safe. But if you have under watt charger, you can definitely use, and it will really give me really great result because my 20 watt charger is damaged, so I am using 10 watt charger and it's really making difference. From 10 watt charger I am really getting 20 to 30% minimum time for charge my phone. That's it. So for installation, you just have to download that app and just flash and select your different TDP of watt of your charger. So if you going to select from 16 to 40, I guess, so select as per your charger requirement. That's it. So moving toward our last mode, which is the fifth mode of this series of this episode. So it's FDAI by Fera Lab. You can see this is the official group of Fera Lab FDAI group, Telegram group. You can join this group, and here is the pin message, here is the APK. So it's basically first is the paid version, but as of now it's going to free for everyone. So you just download that app from here, install this app and giving its root permission, and it will work as your default AI optimization app like Magnetar or NFS do. So it's quite really great app for the phone optimizations. You can see there are the various options you can change from here. Also AI optimization enable, you can select the modes as per your uses. So that's it guys, that is our last model for this episode, and I will provide all download links in the description below, and please like, share and subscribe channel. It will really help us to getting more confidence to making such a video for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Be safe, be home. Bye bye.